So, Free Soldier winter boots, follow your heart.
Here, you want me to take off video?
Yeah, go ahead. So, like, they do have like a elastic strap here that you can like undo, but it really doesn't like do much. It's fine. I can slip right in and out. Really no problem.
Nice.
Yeah, I have like this like insulate.
Yeah, so you can take that out.
You can take that out if you want, but this can keep your feet nice and warm. I guess. Slide right in.
You shouldn't have to wear 2 pairs of socks.
And then check out the tread on the bottom.
Oh yeah, nice.
You can stomp through the snow.
Yep.
I mean, that's pretty good. Like, how tall are these? Let's see. So, get the measuring tape off.
They're like 12 inches.
Great.
Yeah.
So you can get into like almost a foot of snow.
Yeah.
They have these little drawstrings so you can like
make them tighter.
Make them tighter. So snow doesn't get on your boot.
Those are nice.
Looks like you're gonna keep them nice and dry.
Yeah.
Very comfortable too. I mean, I could probably put an insole in there and make it really comfortable. But they're not that like just right out of the box. They were like $53. That's a good deal.
Not bad.